welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't watched any of my videos before, I upload DIY and sewing tutorials every single week with my dog Jack. And this is Jack. He'll be in all my videos and he loves to be in every single one of them. He's sleepy right now. Today I'm going to be showing you guys just a really simple tutorial. There's no sewing required. So this would be a good video for you if you just kind of want to update some clothes in your closet, or if you want to just change it up a little bit. This top that I'm wearing I got from a thrift store, and it was a turtleneck long sleeve top and it was very outdated. I'm going to be showing you guys two different tops and two different ways that you can cut up your t-shirts. And I know that this seems like a really easy tutorial, but I just wanted to do something easy. I like to post two sewing videos and then something like a DIY that's really easy that doesn't require any sewing. So I like to try to reach out to everyone, and we're starting right now. This is the first shirt that I got. It's a long sleeve turtleneck and it's super outdated, so I'm really excited to make this my own. This is the second shirt that I got, and it's just super big on me and it's almost like a dress. So let me show you how I cut these shirts. I'm going to be using a rotary cutter for most of this project, but I might be using scissors too, so you can use both. And what I'm going to do is just start at the top of the shirt and just cut right where the sleeves are and just make a curve. Make sure you don't cut it where the sleeve is, so cut it like right beside the seam line. The last step is to just cut off the bottom of the shirt, and you can make it as short or long as you want, and I just made mine like a crop top. You are all done with this top. Now it's time to move on to the second top. So what I'm going to do is take some chalk and just draw out where I want to cut it at the top, and it's going to be right beside the neckline and then right in the middle of where the sleeves are. Then go ahead and start to cut it. Now what I like to do after I cut that out is I'm going to fold it over, and then I'm going to make sure that it's the exact same cut. So then you can just fold it together and then you'll cut it right where it needs to be. Now I'm going to take my rotary cutter and cut off the bottom of this t-shirt because it's so long. For this t-shirt, I'm going to add strips at the bottom. So what you're going to do is just take your rotary cutter or scissors and just cut straight up. And I did about 1 inch width strips. So just do it all around the bottom of the shirt.